बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम सबसे अहम टॉपिक यानी हैप्पीनेस के हवाले से कुछ गुजारिशात करना चाहते हैं। आई होप यू ऑल विल एंजॉय इट एंड विल ब्रिंग इट इनटू योर लाइफ एंड आवर लाइफ। Happiness by itself is a subjective terminology, and every person on this planet is hunting for it. Everyone has his own conception of happiness, and even every society has its own point of view regarding the occurrence of happiness. Happiness को हम आसान उर्दू में खुशी कहते हैं, लेकिन बदकिस्मती से ये खुशी हमारे मुआशरे से बल्कि डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज से बिल्कुल गायब हो चुकी है। तो इसीलिए आज हमने इस टॉपिक का सिलेक्शन किया ताकि हमारे सामीन हमारे इस डिस्कोर्स से मुस्तफ़ीद हों। यूजुअली देयर आर 10 manners or ways, if they are adopted it will ensure और हैप्पीनेस। लेकिन इससे कबल मैं पाकिस्तानी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हैप्पीनेस के हवाले से कुछ बोलने की जसारत करना चाहता हूँ। Whenever and wherever I have encountered with different families with regard to asking this question of happiness, it is very unfortunate that majority of them did not feel the true essence of happiness, and for that they have given various reasons. Some of the people are of the opinion that their children do not obey their commandments or do not obey their orders. Secondly, some of the people were of the opinion that we invested a lot on our kids, but once they grew up, they did not share our problems with us and they could not extend any kind of relief. The third category, whom I met, they were complaining that under the joint family system, we are not being granted independence, and in every minute matter, we depend on our fathers and forefathers, because of which we do not feel liberty and happiness. Others opined that before marrying their sons, they were so much caring, but after marriages, their priorities have got drastically changed. Others expressed their sorrow that they are having everything and they are very much happy, but when their children grew up, they got married, they got jobs, they are spending a happy life, but the problem is that they do not have time for us. In the same way, some of the people who were talking in a material perspective, they were unhappy simply because there were no resources with them and they could not fill in their stomach properly and were very much anger against the policies of the government and the price hike. In the same way, some of the people opined that undue interference in their family life by the elders made them unhappy. So this was a very shortcut summary which is based on my encounter with various families established in KP. But Alhamdulillah, some of the families whom I met expressed a very positive and affirmative stance regarding their happiness. And when I asked them that although you are financially not so much strong, then how you are so much happy? They were of the opinion that we, along with all our family members, live under one roof and we are having a very collaborative and friendly relations with each other, and we work together, we even smile together, and we live together. So this was a simplistic manner the predicament of Pakistani society. But we are hopeful that inshallah ta'ala happiness will come. And happiness is the abstract of mind. We can get it without paying anything. But there are certain criteria, certain prerequisites. If and when we adhere to them, happiness is a sure game. So in the new lecture, I'll give certain tips which may help our Pakistanis to a great extent, inshallah ta'ala. Thank you very much.